today I am very excited because Jack and I, maybe Sosa, maybe Brad, we're all going to work on the AC for Frankenstein. So I'll probably need to get the leak detection kit, but we're going to see if we can sort it out. Make it a little bit more bearable with this heat. So boom. All right, so Jack and I are going to see if we can find the leak. Jack's the man, and we're going to use the testing lights.
Is there anything you think in it right now?
So Jack had a good idea to start. We're going to cut a smooth, a new end to it, and then we'll put those on to hopefully clean this up. And then, I don't know, I guess we'll go from there. So we got the hoses off, and now Jack's got this cool oil that we're using, and putting some fresh clamps, and let's see how that goes. So there you go. All right, so we changed the, we cleaned up the connections, and I think now we're ready for the leak testing stuff. So I'm gonna go grab that right now with some Freon. All right, so we got the 134, this is a pound. So try to get the largest one they had. And then we got the UV testing. So this will pop on there. Then we can test it with the lights. And then assuming we can find the leak and fix the leak, then we can have that bad boy. So there we go. Oh yeah, no, that'd be good. So we got one leak right there. And then, we got a big one right there. So I really made a mess on that compressor. You can see all the, Jack's got this cool light so we can identify it. Look at all that I spilled on there though. That's not ideal, but we did find the leak, so we're going to take whatever we got to off of here, and then hopefully we can solder it, huh, Jack?
Yeah, we'll try. Yeah.
And then maybe that's our only problem. I couldn't identify any leaks in the cab, so fingers crossed we might be able to fix it. But now we're trying to get it sealed up. Oh, sorry.
Let's see if we can put it in there.
Yeah. Trying to get it soldered in there. So it's kind of giving us a hard time. We're going to try and see if we can maybe just hit it with a little heat off the torch, kind of melt it in. But yeah, it's still leaking, unfortunately. Okay, so the soldering's not working, and we came up with another idea. It's a little janky, but we're going to see if Flex Seal will do it. So according to the old Google, Flex Seal works on copper for copper pipes for plumbing, which is really the same thing. So we're gonna give it a try. All right, so we put a little Flex, we use this Flex paste. You see that, Flex paste? Because it specifically said copper, and I wanted the paste so that it was a little bit more moldable. So we capped that part off. And then over here, I mean, it's not the prettiest, but if it works, hey, why not? So the thing is, it says 30 minutes to kind of really start drying, and it takes 24 hours to really fully set. So gonna let it dry and then test it tomorrow to see if it's worth adding the refrigerant. We're gonna give it till tomorrow, see if it leaks. For now, this will be the end of this video. So you have to tune in to see if we actually got it fixed. And huge thank you to Jack for all of his help. And then our buddy Brad, thanks for joining in, brother. All right, now boom, baby.